Today we're showing you a 2017 New Holland Workmaster 60 tractor. Tractor has a New Holland 611 TL quick attach front loader to go with it. Tractor is just over 100 hours, has 60 horsepower, comes with the balance of the factory New Holland warranty. The tractor is practically new. 6-foot front bucket, barely has a scratch in it. Skid steer style hookup for your bucket connection. Paint on the tractor is excellent, it looks like new. Tires look like new. Mid hose connections here. Got the loader control molded right into the fender. 8-speed transmission. You got 4 gears over here to the right, high low to the left. Then you've got the mechanical shuttle up on the dash, which allows you to go from forward to reverse simply by moving that lever forward and back. You do have to clutch to shift the reverser there, but it is synchronized. Your PTO and your 3-point controls here beside the seat. Foldable rollover bar. Has a rear hydraulic plug-in back here. 540 PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. Toolbox back here. Very convenient. And again, it does come with the balance of the factory warranty. I believe it's into 2019, but double check the listing there. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We do also take trades and also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.